How to turn on or turn off voicemail vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the more button, then tap on settings. Now in call settings, we scroll down. And from here, tap on voicemail. Next, tap on notifications. Then we scroll down and tap on vibrate. Tap on the vibrate toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. If you turn this on, whenever you receive new voicemail notifications, your phone will vibrate. If you don't like vibration, you can switch it off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.